At a meeting held today, the 12th of February 2022, the People's Democratic Front (PDF) had discussed current issues concerning the state of Meghalaya. An election of new members of the party had also taken place on the same day. PDF President Bantedor Lingdor said that he does not have a problem with the Congress joining the MDA government. Lingdor also added that the present government's performance has attracted many parties to align themselves with the MDA, which will ultimately drive the MDA government to its full term.
Hi kawai kalong kumni kai. Adu kasdang play ing yedon kanun tali ki parti ki ma pelong ye kanika MDA government. But ngiso komen ngai ka banang ya kapor nang bon sidang bon ki bawan penyeso bal ke MDA. But pini baga de jingjok baga jing tri sitom amtam nakaliang chunga bi ba hamlet kung minister lai persyang ban ai jumut banyakran baga sarkar po jingalam jong chief minister bomenta ki bubun ki kam bubun ki issue timur kiwai ki kring ki ibang i banwan ban ya don lang bat ke MDA kalong ke jing mentoy nang banta ke MDA nang perklan nang pen kanang ginang bon ginang ba ong ipi bagani kan ne sna na ru pakut sensna kata ngingim don ne abawan penyeso menu tu ke jing mentoy nang banta ka nika alain sujongi MDA government ke jung.
General Secretary of the PDF, Hamletson Dorling, while speaking on the setting up of railway lines till Byrnihat, said that there should be some kind of mechanism to check influx so that the security of the indigenous people of the state is not compromised with.
Unless and until we have the proper mechanism to check influx into the state of Meghalaya. As of now, ILP also is still pending, issues still remaining with the government of India. So unless and until we have a strong mechanism to protect the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya, we are not allowed either goods train or passenger train.
Hamletson Dorling also reiterated the fact that the PDF will not cease to fight for the rights of the people and therefore would like to know the centre's response to the demand for ILP in the state of Meghalaya.
Yes, no, see, from time to time, whenever we have a chance to meet Chief Minister, we always apprise him about this issue. It's high time to apprise the union government. Please tell the union government, please say something about ILP. Whether ILP will be granted or will be rejected. That we want from government of India. But we are so sorry the attitude and the stubbornness of the government of India. As of now, we don't know anything whether ILP will be granted or rejected.